Hello, crafty friends. It's Rhonda Lee here, and I thought I'd just pop on for a minute to share the opening of my most recent purchase I made. And this is from April, who is Pink Oddbird here on YouTube. And she's made some Halloween journals lately that are super cute. And so I purchased one, and it was just hand delivered by April herself. Hi, April. And it's so cute, the way she packaged it, that I just thought I'd make a video of me opening it. So let's get started. So it's so cute. Look at this. She's got some like green, really pretty ribbon here, around here. And look at the pumpkin. That's so cute. It's felt. And look at a napkin with Spideys on it. Neat. I just love Halloween. So let's see, she's tied it up really nice here in this nice green bag with some orange ribbon. Oh, I'm so excited. It's so adorable. Wait till you see, you guys. She still has some, I think, available too, so if you hurry on over there. Oh my gosh, put more stuff in here. You crazy girl, you. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, wow, those are great. Thank you, thank you. Look at this little bag. There's so many cool Halloween things out there. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. Oh, my gosh, girl. Thank you. Look at all the goodies. I can make a Halloween album. Oh, I could put them in my little album here. Oh, wonderful little things. Look at that. Oh, thank you so much. April, these are super cute. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love it. I love it. Oh, that's so cool. They're really thick, too. Oh, that's going to be so fun to use, too. Look at. Oh, so cute. So cute. I love that. Nice. Oh, my gosh. You really gave me a lot of extra goodies, girl. Look at these napkins. Oh, that's awesome. That's an awesome napkin. I love that. Oh my God, now you're really getting me going with wanting to make a Halloween album or something. Oh, these are so cute. Look, oh God. I don't think I've ever had any Halloween napkins. Wow, those are awesome. Oh my goodness, look at this. Did you make this? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Little granny square. Look at that. That is so awesome. Nice, nice. Look at all these goodies. Boy, I certainly didn't expect all this. A little ghost. Oh, these are cute. Wow, you got the Halloween stuff. Nice. So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm getting all inspired. Oh, thanks so much. You're so sweet. Thank you so much. Oh, look at this. The bats. I love that. That's neat. Oh, thank you so much. And look, here's my little boy. Oh. Here's her card. Isn't that nice? Really cute. Love that. And I will link her below, so in the description. So you can go check out her channel and subscribe if you're not already, and purchase a Halloween journal for yourself. Oh, that's nice. I love that with the bats. I just love Halloween. Okay, love that washi. The skulls, that is so cute. Okay, gotta get in here. Oh, it's so cute and tiny. Oh, look! Oh my gosh. I love it. Look at the size. Oh, it's so yummy. Look. So cute. And this big oversized tassel with the charm here. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love it, April. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So she's got this little ribbon tied around. Let me see here. We zoom in a little here. Get in frame here. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. So she's got this lace that wraps around both sides with a little pocket with little tags and goodies inside. Oh, it's so cute. And see the fabric? Isn't that cool? I love that fabric. That's what really got me on this one. And there's a little bat here and a little tag tucked in there. And there's Alice. It's a scary Alice. Isn't that cute? Here's the fabric again. So adorable. I just fell in love with this when I saw it. Okay. Let me get that back in there. Okay. And I'm going to take the little charm off, the little tassel off. So cute. Look at that. So cute. Okay. It's so tiny. Look at my, here's my hand. It's like real tiny. She's done a lot of stitching in here. See, this book belongs to. I'll write my name in there. It's so cute. You found some really cute papers. Look at that. It's an Alice. A Halloween Alice. I love it. What a great mixture, Alice and Halloween. I love it. Here's a little tuck. A little tag. So cute. The paper. You did great on these, April. They're Tsunami Rose. And I love the way you shrunk down the Tsunami Rose papers. They're so cute. Did some stenciling. So cute. There's Alice there. And this cute tag. With this cute paper clip with little baubles on it. Isn't that sweet? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Love that. Nice. Nice. How fun. I can see why you made a bunch of them, because once you get going, I can imagine how fun it is. So cute. That's fabric too. Get that little cluster there. There's places to journal. I love that stamp. That's cool. That's fabric too. Oh, it's a little flip up thing. Oh, nice. So cute. I forget how many pages altogether. That. I love it. Alice Halloween. I love the stitching you did on everything. Okay, let me get this in here. There we go. It's so cute. It's adorable. So fun. Nice. Ooh, I like this. This is pretty. Look at that. I love that. And your little paper clips with the little beads are so adorable. You guys, you probably already know April, but if you don't, you have to check out her channel. She makes most awesome journals. And she's real fun, and she's my friend in my town, too. I'm so lucky. We get to hang out now and then. Nice. And the upside down page. That made it real special. That's neat right there. I love that. And this is so pretty. Look at that. Is this a paper like, I don't know if this is a digi necessarily or a paper stack pad you bought. Sure is cute. Really good job. Oh, this is a neat picture too. Look at that. This is my first Alice anything. I don't know why. I just haven't made an Alice thing, and I don't have anything else. So when I saw this, I'm like, you know what? I really like the Alice with Halloween. So I just thought I had to have it. So cool. Cute, cute, cute. Awesome. Aw, it's so fun. Boy, there's a lot of pages in here too. Super, super, super. Oh, what a cute stamp. Fright this way. So cute. Off with their heads. Oh, this is adorable. I love it. Cute little washi there. Super job, super job. I love it. Oh, look at that stamp. That's neat. Oh, I'm in love. I'll have to be flipping through this about 100 more times here in the next day. So awesome. I couldn't have done better myself, that's for sure. I love it. Thank you, April. I'm really, really loving it, and we'll have so much fun flipping through it, and with all the goodies too. You got me all inspired now. Look at how beautiful it looks on this side. I just love it. So super cute. Thank you, and thank you everybody for watching too. And if you just got to have one too, you better head on over there to April's Etsy there and get yourself one. And I will put all the links down in the description box. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay? Okay, bye.